When working with keyboard shortcuts, you can change some of the key combinations to suit yourself. First, you need to enable keyboard shortcuts. If you haven't done this already, select your user icon in the banner to open the user menu. Then select Preferences. Navigate to the Accessibility category and make sure the Enable Keyboard Shortcuts feature is toggled on. Then close the dialog box. Now, let's customize a shortcut. You can open the Keyboard Shortcuts dialog box in two ways. Either open the user menu and then select Keyboard Shortcuts, or press the shortcut key combo, which in our case is Command/. The keyboard shortcuts are displayed. Note that they are specific to the browser and operating system being used. If you're on a Windows machine, the Windows shortcut key combinations will appear instead. In our example, we're using a Mac. In the dialog box, select Remap Keyboard Shortcuts. Not all shortcuts can be customized. The ones you can change will have a remap shortcut icon next to the current key combination. Let's say we want to change the shortcut for Open Help, which is currently Command/Shift/. To do this, we select its remap shortcut icon. Every keyboard shortcut needs at least one modifier and one letter or character. Shift, Control, and Command are examples of modifier keys. They change the function of other keys when pressed together. Let's try Command/H for Open Help. We press those keys, and the key combo changes in the dialog box. But when we try to save the change by selecting the Accept Shortcut Changes icon, we get an error message. It says that key combination is already in use. Let's select the Cancel Saving icon. It changes back to Command/Shift/. We select the Remap Shortcut icon again to try another key combo. How about Command/Y? When we press the keys, they change in the dialog box, and this time when we select the Accept Shortcut Changes icon, it saves the change. So let's close the dialog box and test our new shortcut. Pressing Command/Y opens the Help Center, so it works. If you ever want to go back to the default shortcuts, it's easy. Just open the Keyboard Shortcuts dialog box in the user menu. Reselect Remap Keyboard Shortcuts, and then select Restore Defaults. A confirmation message warns that selecting Yes will restore all remapped keyboard shortcuts to their original values. Confirm that by selecting Yes. All custom shortcuts are reset. Open Help is restored to Command/Shift/. Give it a try. Experiment with different key combinations and find what works best for you. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.